Oh, I think something.
What do you mean a box?
Wala, wala. I think just an announcement. What the fuck? Ah, ba't ganito yung akin? Ba't ganito yung akin? Okay ka lang ba?
It's so funny. Oh,
Oh,
what?
what the fuck?
So they were just wiggling.
What in the skibidi?
Oh,
Where do we go?
I don't know. I've never played this game before.
I think it's the other one.
What?
What the fuck was that?
This isn't even scary. Get ready for your adventure to Hoggle. I don't have a flashlight. Where are you? Don't leave me.
Why do you have a flashlight? I don't.
A phone?
Yeah, I have a phone.
I don't have a flashlight.
Oh, I have a
Why do you
phone.
have? How do you do that?
Do you have a phone?
Hmm.
Turn it on.
How?
F, try mo F.
Oh yeah. Wow, you're so smart.
Yeah, I'm so smart.
It's so funny though. You're by a cafe. Take a short break. Da-da-da-da-da. We should listen to Gangnam Style while listening. While playing.
Your cafe is open, but there's no one here. It's messy. It's messy? What the fuck? Coco Melon. Is that flamingo?
Where? Yes,
Here.
right. I used to watch Flamingo. So funny.
Same. Where do we go?
What do you do? Use the toilet.
Let's go.
Where? Where are you?
Toilet. Let's go to the toilet, chat.
Wait, I'm gonna watch you.
What the fuck? That made me jump.
It's not
Si
even
Albert.
scary.
Si Albert ba yun?
Maybe. It's so funny. It's not even scary, bro. How do you do that? Oh.
Gampong. Do we go out now?
Yeah, get in the car apparently. It's so weird, they're just wiggling.
Real. So skibidi.
Okay, okay.
Why is it okay if you speak brain rot but not me?
Oh, you can speak. Uh-oh. It's okay
The
to
fuck?
speak brain and be yourself.
Brain rot ka naman eh.
Oh look,
Ikaw rin.
look at him.
Oh, I'm taking a picture.
How?
I don't know. Gua
Guasha?
hamster key.
Oh, guasha. That's it?
The hell is this?
Why are you doing everything?
I don't
Wanna do
know.
something too?
Let's sleep chat.
What? Why?
Sleep stream. Sleep stream.
No, Dial. Why are you sleeping? Where do we even? Where do we even use this for?
Oh,
Also,
we
you
can't.
know,
Hmm?
my nails get stuck on the keys
Oh,
now.
what the fuck? Whoa!
What? It's so erotic. Where are you?
Don't go to the pond.
Why?
Try
Where
it,
are
try
you?
it.
Where are you?
I went, I died.
Why would you? Why would you tell me to go in if you knew what was gonna happen?
Did you die?
Yeah, I wasted thingy.
Get noob.
Oh, you can press
What?
play again.
Why not?
I don't know.
Let's just start again.
That scared me.
Let's